Hi, kids. Uh-oh, I'm super thirsty. Time for a yummy summer drink. Let's go on a drink adventure and find something cool and tasty. I can't wait. Orange juice. Orange juice. Apple juice. Apple juice. Grape juice. Grape juice. Mango shake. Mango shake. Lemonade. Lemonade. Milkshake. Milkshake. Yummy. That was super tasty. But guess what? I'm still thirsty. Smoothie. Smoothie. Coconut water. Coconut water. Fruit punch. Fruit punch. Cold coffee. Cold coffee. Yum yum in my tum. I'm so full. I've sipped lots of tasty drinks. Thanks for joining me, kids. See you next time for more slurpery sippy fun.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.